going. Oh! His breath is so rancid.
You're such a liar.
It smells like a power plant. It's relationship goals. So this is the first one. The other ones have not come in yet. I've been wanting to use that. Ooh. We've been reading this book, which is Michael Todd's Relationship Goals. We are pretty far through. I think we have 2 more chapters left.
Wow, look at that.
This is the Every Fun brand percussion massage device, aka Theragun.
Nice little case, huh?
Oh! Doesn't this remind you of the Amazon logo? Okay, is this better than your Theragun? There's all these different heads, the bullet head, oh, this one looks good. Look at this one, it has a little acupuncture. Sam, oh! All right, next. Ooh!
Next is Ryder.
What's the fabric?
I have no idea, it's stripedy.
Stripedy. Ryder just dropped their newest seamless collection. They have
Resistant bands.
Ryder sells a 2-pack of underwear. If you guys need seamless underwear to wear under leggings, I'm not kidding, that is the best kind. It does not show at all.
You got a shirt, a top, long sleeve?
A long sleeve crop. All this whole collection comes in a sports bra, long sleeve crop, and then also leggings and shorts. So for the green, I got the shorts. And for the black set, I got the leggings instead of the shorts. Just have to see this up close.
This quality is really nice.
The quality is amazing. This little detail right here too, and look up close. This is amazing. Cute.
This is a long sleeve.
Oh yeah, that goes with
Long
it.
sleeve crop.
Oh, and then look at the detail in the back. There's Ryder wear. I get size small for reference in literally everything from Ryder.
This is nice.
Oh, it's a workout tank.
How soft and like stretchy it is.
Soft and stretchy. This color's gorgeous. Little razorback workout tank. By the way, my code Karissa10 saves you money. They look super small, but they stretch when they go on. So cute.
Lottie.
Campaign with Carrington Dunham. Isn't she a baddie? Cute! What do we got? A brush? Oh, it looks like something broke, babe. Oh, that was such a pretty palette too.
Got Lottie London.
Dewy setting spray. Oh my gosh, should we try it? Let's try.
No.
Yes. Oh, that smells good.
All right.
Oh, no, wait, I got some lip gloss. Oh, I love it. Is that juicy?
Lottie again?
Another Lottie, so I guess more makeup. Ooh, I like this brush.
Freckle tint.
Oh, I've been wanting to use that. Okay, so when I was a kid, freckles were so embarrassing. No one wanted freckles. Everyone made fun of me. They're like, what dots are on your face? And nowadays, people that don't have freckles put freckles on their skin. I have freckles, but when I wear makeup, it kind of does cover them up. So I'm excited to try the freckle trend. Do you know that's a trend?
No.
Have you ever seen a girl put freckles on her face? And then there's also this Ready, Set, Go setting powder. Wait, I need to put some freckles on.
No,
yes, babe. You can't tell me what a kid can't do. Let's try out the freckle pen from Lottie London.
All right, that's all you got in that one.
Oh my gosh, this is cute. My like little childhood self would have known that. I would not have been so insecure. And I think I'm like doing this really bad. Hold on. So cute. Can you open it nicely?
Oh, you got stickers.
We got some stickers. Wait, let me just show them. HelloFresh, we love HelloFresh.
I think they're ball stuffers.
What? Seriously, what are they? I don't know. Let me see them. It says they are beauty rounds. Oh, this is what you can put like a loose powder on and puff your face with.
Got your engagement ring.
Wait a second, it's emerald. That's cute. Oh my gosh, I'm putting these in right now. These are so cute. Slippers. 13 free meals for HelloFresh. Hello, yes. Daily vitamins, customizable 30% off coupon. Have the fun be throwing in the coupons too. Oh, it's cute. A little scarf, my bougie self, okay. I like to wear these in my hair in the summertime with the bathing suit. But for now, ooh, this. Here's the ways to wear it. Cute. Why do I feel like I'm from the 50s? We got some Pure Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. Oh my goodness, that is stunning. This is like if you're gonna go get a photo shoot done or something and you wanna look gorgeous and glowing. Oh, another scarf. This is just a plain champagne colored scarf. Oh, this is a really good brand. Paracone MD Rejuvenating Moisturizer. Suns out, pouts out, gold foil lip mask to plump your lips. Guys, fun fact, I went to go get lip injections the other day. I was doing a sponsor with a company and I backed out because I was too scared. So I guess we'll try some pouting strips for now. House slippers. By the brand Splendid. Ooh, these are very soft. It's pink and cute. Okay, so this is from a subscriber, and I will link all her stuff right here. She asked me if she could send me a package. Oh, it's like a muscle tee. It has my monogram, but it has the H. She made it for Hayline. Karissa Nichole Hayline. It's a little muscle tee. I'm gonna wear it at the gym. She knew I was going through a hard time, and she was like, I want to put a smile on your face and send you something. Oh, this is so cute. I guess she just makes little handmade stuff. So look at this mug. This is like heavy duty. And it says Karissa on it. Thank you so much. I'm so excited for this package. How hard it is to let...
Drunk Elephant's the pimple thing, right?
Skincare, yes. Ah! Ooh, I'm out. The TLC Sukari Baby Facial, this stuff is unreal. And then the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil, I use this all the time as well. Oh, it's a hoodie. That looks so comfy. So we got some skincare products from Drunk Elephant. Thank you so much, Drunk Elephant.
You got more boxes than I got for Christmas.
Oh, keep those in.
Why?
No. Those are bridesmaids robes. Next is from Beginning Boutique.
That's a nice little bag, huh?
Yeah, it's like a designer, like that's what they, I forget what they call it, a duster bag, I think. Ooh, what is that? Oh, it's a little crop top. I'm obsessed with the silk. Oh, it's a little dress. Ooh, that's a little mini dress. Romper. Do you like that color? Well, if you didn't see, it was a high neck romper, open back, beautiful periwinkle blue. Wait, that's actually really cute. Honestly, I'm not a purple fan, I'll just be honest, but this is like a pinkish purple, lavender, that's very muted.
That is very pretty.
Yeah, it is.
That's cute. This is like a little spring Easter dress. Wow. Oh, that's like a real estate agent. Alame.
What is that, clothes? Here. Ooh.
Hi Karissa, we're thrilled you're interested in collaborating with our brand, Alame. We love your vibe and style, so we selected pieces to complement it. We chose 2 lace bralettes, a black lace panty, ribbed panty, and a coral sport bra. We would love if you could highlight the sports bra. We hope you love everything. Looking forward to seeing photos and videos. XO Alame. Cute! Ooh! You gotta wait a couple more days.
So these go under the shorts?
It's like Christmas all over again. Those are cute. Nice and dainty. Little white, little bralette. Cute. This looks a little tiny. My tuck-tucks have been growing. Oh, I like the high neck detailing. Okay. Oh, this one's see-through. This one has the whole view. Pickle's enjoying the haul. Oh, that's a little matching set. Little matchy set.
Yeah.
It's like a vibrant red. This will make you look nice and tan. Oh, okay, so this is a collaboration I'm gonna be doing, working with Walmart and Wet n Wild. They're having a new campaign
Wet
that
n Wild?
is going to be, yes.
The water place.
No.
Park.
But Wet n Wild is going to be collaborating with Walmart, exclusively selling this mascara there. It's called the Big Papa Mascara. So I'm excited to try that. And they also sent over a eyelash curler, which I actually need a new one.
Is this new or no?
Yeah. So I've worn this like 600 times because it's like the most comfy thing ever. But it's from Windsor, this next package. This is a shacket. So it's like a flannel jacket, shirt, jacket, shacket.
This is nice.
They tie.
Yeah.
I wore this to church like 3 weeks ago and he told me I looked beautiful. He didn't like this, but let me just tell you, I think that this is so cute. My mom and dad liked it. All right, it's a hoodie dress, but it has this really nice like cinched in waist, so it makes you look like you have curves.
Ooh, I like this a lot.
I already wore that. I literally probably wore everything already in this bag. This is faux suede. It's very Western beige jacket.
Heels are very nice.
Already wore those too. These are so cute, but they're so uncomfortable. Sometimes beauty takes pain though. See how the heel's like pushed all the way under right here? Like it just feels very awkward to walk in. And they have a square toe, which is in trend now.
This is pretty nice.
It's just a little crop, zip up, easy, simple.
Ooh.
It's a cute little dress, gingham print. Black and white. Those don't fit me, they're huge. They literally fall off.
I like this a lot.
But I love this green color. Like I've been so into green lately for clothing, and I love little lettuce cut sleeves and the high neck. So cute.
And your wife beater.
It's not a white beater, that's a dress.
It's a very nice
cute.
dress.
It's a really good material too.
Have you worn this?
No. This is the type of dress that you would wear casual with some sneaks, maybe denim jacket or something. That's just a plain
You could wear
crop
this
tee.
under that jacket the other day.
This is just a plain crop tee, but I love the extra detailing. It has this You see? I already wore these on our engagement shoot. They are the most uncomfortable shoes I've ever put on in my life. Again, sometimes beauty takes pain, but look.
But if you need hiking,
look
they're
at
a
this.
great go-to.
Already destroyed.
These will be
very
worn.
much so worn.
Yes.
I love my sweatpants. I don't care. And chocolate brown is like the color of the season, you know? People like chocolate brown. I think that's so cute, so comfy. It's an eyelash sweater. Looks like cashmere.
SpongeBob's grandma made it.
You're so rude.
This is nice.
Oh,
material.
just a plain white bodysuit, super comfy, soft. I can just tell by looking at it, and I love these very thin straps. These next couple packages from Amazon. So these are all Amazon packages that TikTok has made me buy. What's that?
Curling heater thing. Curling.
Have you ever seen your mom and sister use those?
Yes.
So in the 90s, hot curlers were...
Hot curlers. Right?
My mom had these. I remember I used to literally try to use my mom's hot curlers.
I use those.
Hot curlers were it. So it's back in. Hot curlers are back in. Big bouncy 90s waves are back in. And I'm jumping on the bandwagon for it. So this is the Conair one. I'm excited to try these. Okay, so yeah, I have made it officially to Christian TikTok. So when I scroll, it's like all this Christian stuff. And these books, not just from TikTok did I find them. Literally everyone talks about them. But these are the Relationship Goals by Michael Todd. I found this little pack. So normally everyone just talks about the actual book he wrote. But in the little bundle, they have the Relationship Goals Challenge. 30 days from good to great. So me and Sam are going to do this when we first get married. We already read the book. We actually finished this morning. We loved it, right? We read it every single morning with our coffee, a chapter a day. It's a really easy read, it's very relatable, and we're gonna try the challenge. So the challenge gives you like 30 days of challenges to strengthen your relationship and all that good stuff.
A spa headband.
Okay, so when I do my makeup and stuff or do any skincare, I don't want it to get into my hair. So these are just little spa headbands.
Pastel markers.
Pastel highlighters. You know how highlighters are normally neon? Pastel. I also made it to like handwriting TikTok where I literally just see people write stuff and do organizational things. So, next. Ooh! Like organization stuff just makes me so happy, I don't know why. Oh, there's like little folders, yeah. But look how cool they are. It's like a face, that's cool, right? I love the color scheme of this. This one says notes. I'm pretty sure these are handcrafted, hand painted. Big plans. Work, 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 work. I am very busy. This should be tattooed on my forehead. We're getting down to the nitty gritty.
Straws?
Oh, these are glass straws. And I like how they're big and thick because at my house I have the thin ones, but when I come here, my mom, she has like the nice big thick ones. That way you can even like have a protein shake with it or whatever. But these are actual glass.
Don't be broke.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. Can you put these in the dishwasher?
Yeah.
Glass?
You put your glasses.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, so I got a whole pack of these. Put those back in there very gently and nicely and calmly. And then this, I'm so excited about. TikTok.
Let me open it.
TikTok did not
And
make.
this, Jay Clay bought 2 bathing suits from Cupshe.
Did you?
Bubba's, come here. Gotta try it on. Turn around. Turn around.
I ordered 3 dresses off Etsy for Iva, our flower girl. I'll show you. So this is the first one. The other ones have not come in yet, but I'm just gonna send them over to her and have her try them on, and then I'll choose my favorite. But this is seriously so cute. Has a big white bow on the back, nice and lacy. But I love how like simple this is. And then a matching headband too, look mom. And they're handmade dresses, which is so cute.
Oh,
He
look.
looks like a butler.
A little more of
Sneak peek for the wedding. All right, well, definitely just going to exchange that for a better size. All right, last box, guys. Oh, I forgot about that. Open
The
it.
perfume?
No. So it's supposed to look like a nice vintage perfume bottle that sits on your vanity. But it's a fan, so whenever you spray like setting spray on your face, when you do makeup, it like dries, you know? After you set it, you wouldn't understand. Well, okay, whenever you're done with the makeup, you're supposed to like, but it just sits on your vanity and looks nice and classy. I'm so hyped for this for my TikToks. But it's not just any lights. It holds your phone in the center. And it's a tripod. Wow. today's vlog, I'm partnering with Picnic Point AZ. This is who me and Sam decided to use for our Valentine's Day celebration. I'm sure you guys have probably seen these trendy picnics all over the gram. They are 100% customizable to what you like. You can have this with your girlfriends, you can have this with your boo thing, whatever you would like. It can be romantic or boho. You completely customize it and they do basically whatever you want. So I do have a discount code for you guys. It is Karissa and you can use that to get 10% off of any picnic service, fully customizable, and it's so much fun. And it's kind of far away, so we have a little road trip to go on. We're gonna go to, it's called South Mountain, and it's gorgeous. Me and Sam actually went there a couple weeks ago, and we took Pickle just to go see the view of Phoenix. Today's video, like I said, is in collaboration with Picnic Point AZ. Thank you so much to them. Everything, all their details, handles is all linked down below, so check them out. And I'll see you guys when we go to Whole Foods. We're gonna pick up some snacks. My part job is so good. So we're picking out some stuff for our picnic. I think I want some sushi, but I need to look around. Okay, so Whole Foods just did not have my vegan sushi, so I'm gonna order some. Like, it's hit or miss. Some places have artificial crab and some places use real crab. Do you want any edamame or seaweed salad? Miso soup? Can I place an order for pickup? I'm gonna do a seaweed salad, a side of edamame, and a California crunchy roll. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Guys, look how freaking cute this is. Sam is all ready to dive in. It is so cute. They set all this up. It comes with little Pellegrino bottles, candles, these cute little Picnic Point. They're personalized for us to keep. It says your name. We brought our own food and sushi, flowers, blankets, an arch. Look at this sign. Ah, it's so cute. Look at the pillows. I got my vegan cupcake. Look at our freaking view. This is insane.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like.
I should eat my sushi first, but oh my goodness. Guys, this is the life. Look, there's a visitor right there.
I can't give you this roast tonight. Karissa, we accept this roast.
I got the rose. I wish my boyfriend's breath didn't stink.
Say it again.
His breath is so rancid.
You're such a liar.
It smells like a power plant.
It smells like asbestos.
We're leaving our picnic spot. This was literally the cutest thing ever. I highly, highly, highly recommend. Look at this view. And they have locations all across the valley, so check out Picnic Point AZ. Seriously, so cute.
Thunderhead in the midnight sky.